NASA, the most iconic space agency in the world. From landing on the moon to exploring the farthest reaches of our solar system, they've unlocked secrets of the universe we could only dream of. But not every question has been answered. In fact, some of NASA's discoveries remain unexplained, leaving scientists and all of us wondering what's really out there. Join us as we explore the some mysteries of NASA's, where science meet unknown. First up, we have a mystery that has haunted astronomers for decades: the WOW signal. Astronomers have scanning the skies for decades, listening for any signs of intelligent life. For years, the cosmos remained silent. Until that night, on the night of August 15th, 1977, astronomers at Ohio State University's Big Ear radio telescope picked up a strong, narrow-band signal coming from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius near the star group of Chi Sagittarii. The signal lasted just 72 seconds, but it was unlike anything astronomers had ever recorded. Astronomer Jerry R. Amon was the first to notice it. He circled the signal on the printout and wrote just one word: WOW. And that's how this mysterious signal came to be known: the WOW signal. What made this signal so fascinating was its frequency, 1,420 megahertz, right around the hydrogen line, a naturally occurring radio frequency that many scientists believe could be used by an advanced civilization to communicate across the stars. Despite decades of efforts, astronomers have pointed their telescope at that same region of the sky many times, hoping for the signal to return. But it never did. Its origin remains mystery. Was this a message from an intelligent extraterrestrial civilization? Or just a rare cosmic anomaly? Next, travel to the Red Planet, where NASA's Curiosity rover made a discovery that left scientists scratching their head. The discovery of methane in Mars's atmosphere. In 2013, NASA's Curiosity rover made a headline when it detected a sudden spike in methane level in Mars' atmosphere. But how is this possible? Methane is often linked to biological processes here on Earth, so naturally this sparked excitement among the scientists. Could this a sign of life on the Red Planet? However, the story doesn't end there. The methane levels on Mars fluctuate unexpectedly with no clear pattern to these changes. This has left researchers scratching their heads. What could be causing this mysterious gas to appear and disappear? There are a few theories. Some scientists believe that microbial life lurking beneath Mars's surface could be producing this methane. Others suggest it could be due to the geological activities on Mars. Yet despite years of research and numerous missions, NASA still hasn't fully explained the source of this methane. Apollo 10 incident. In May of 1969, just 2 months before Apollo 11's historic moon landing, NASA launched Apollo 10. It was a dress rehearsal for lunar landing. Everything was done except for the actual landing itself. The crew of Tom Stafford, John Young, and Eugene Cernan flew a mission to the moon, even taking the lunar module to within 8 miles of the lunar surface. But something strange happened when they were on far side of the moon. Communication with mission control suddenly cuts out. For the next 60 minutes, they're utterly alone in the vastness of space, surrounded by darkness. But then, something unusual happens. A whistling sound, unexplainable, fills their communication system. It echoes through the spacecraft, sending chills down the spines of the astronauts. Listen to this.
That is music even sounds outer spacey, doesn't it? Do you hear that whistling sound?
There are a few theories. One explanation is that it was just radio interference between the lunar module and command module. NASA engineers believe that the whistling sound was caused by 2 different radios interacting with each other when the modules were on the far side of the moon, where Earth communication signal couldn't reach. But here's the thing. The mystery of the space whistle has never been fully resolved. In 2009, NASA's Hubble Space Telescope captured an astonishing sight, a dark spot on Jupiter, as large as the Pacific Ocean. This dark mark stood out against the vibrant, swirling colors of Jupiter's atmosphere. But what exactly was this black spot? Initially, scientists believed it was the aftermath of a comet impact. Comets are icy bodies that, when they collide with gas giants like Jupiter, can leave significant marks on their surfaces. Imagine a massive comet crashing into the planet, unleashing tremendous energy and creating a dark scar across the atmosphere. It was a captivating idea. But there was one big twist. The spot didn't last long. It appeared suddenly and then just as mysteriously disappeared. This rapid disappearance raised new questions for scientists. How could something so massive and destructive vanish without leaving a trace? What is happening in the depths of Jupiter's atmosphere? Some experts suggest that powerful storms in Jupiter's atmosphere could have played a role, churning the clouds and erasing the evidence of the impact. So, while the black spot remains a mystery, it offers us a glimpse into the dynamic and ever-changing nature of Jupiter. Our understanding of this gas giant continues to evolve as we gather more data and explore deeper into its atmosphere. Saturn, the sixth planet from the Sun, is one of the most fascinating worlds in our solar system. Known for its iconic rings, this gas giant holds many mysteries. One of the most intriguing is a strange, massive storm swirling at its north pole, the Hexagon Storm. First discovered by the Voyager spacecraft in the early 1980s, this storm has puzzled scientists for decades. Unlike anything we've ever seen, this massive hurricane is shaped like a perfect hexagon. Each side of this six-sided vortex is longer than the diameter of Earth. But what exactly is it, and why is it shaped like a hexagon? Saturn is a gas giant, with an atmosphere composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. The Hexagon Storm is believed to be a result of complex atmospheric dynamics. Winds around Saturn's poles blow at speeds of up to 300 kilometers per hour. These powerful winds create eddies and whirlpools, and somehow, the interactions between these fast-moving winds have led to this peculiar geometric shape. While scientists are still studying this phenomenon, it's likely that a combination of jet streams and turbulent flows lock this shape into place, making it stable and long-lasting. In 2004, NASA's Cassini spacecraft arrived at Saturn and gave us the most detailed images of the Hexagon Storm yet. The storm stretches about 30,000 kilometers across, and within it, there's a massive hurricane-like vortex spinning at the center. At its core, there's an enormous eye-like feature, similar to the eye of a hurricane on Earth, but much larger. Surrounding this eye, the hexagonal jet stream maintains its symmetry, spinning endlessly. Despite decades of research, many questions remain. Why is the storm so perfectly shaped? Why does it remain so stable over time, lasting for decades or even centuries? The Hexagon Storm on Saturn is a reminder of just how strange and beautiful the universe can be. The universe is full of mysteries. For every question answered, countless more arise. NASA has led humanity into the farthest reaches of the cosmos, uncovering truths about our universe, but also revealing enigmas that challenge our understanding of space, time, and life itself. These mysteries are just a glimpse into the vast unknown. Who knows what else we may uncover in the years to come? Will we ever find the answers to these puzzles? Or will the secrets of space remain beyond our reach? As we continue to explore the final frontier, one thing is certain: NASA's journey is far from over, and the greatest discoveries may still lie ahead. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the unexplained. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of space. Who knows? One day, we might just find the answers we've been searching